Nangamilari, and welcome to Ask Aunty. Aunty Munya, can a non-Indigenous person use the term sorry business?
I don't see why not, Carla. It's Aboriginal English, yes, of course, but Aboriginal people and our culture have influenced many things in this nation, and so why not follow Indigenous Aboriginal English terms, if you like. Not a problem at all. It's okay to refer to you going to attend sorry business for your own family. It doesn't have to be the death of an Indigenous person. And the more Australians use these terms, the more it'll become second place, and we'll just understand each other when we speak.
So an opportunity for learning if someone asks, well, what's this sorry business?
Yes, and then you can explain what it is.
Thanks, Aunty Munya. Ask Aunty.